Hey guys, myself Swapin Srivastav and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is our next addition to our Windows on Android series. Previously I shown you how to run the Windows OS on Android including the Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows XP and few others out there, and this video is also a next addition to this series, and I am going to use a very clean and stable version of Windows 7. This is a super light edition of Windows 7 and perfectly matches the needs of Limbo emulator to run the OS faster, and probably this will be going to the fastest Windows running on Android. And most importantly, this OS is one of the most used and recent version of Windows OS. So I already installed the Windows OS and created a required hard disk file to boot, and I did this by using the Limbo emulator itself, and that installation taken a very long time, but don't worry about that. I will provide you the hard disk file that I created. I will put down the link of the file in the description so you can directly download it from there. And you also have to download a Limbo emulator from the Play Store. So go to the Play Store and search there for the Limbo PC emulator, and I hope you will find there. And if you don't find it there, just go to the description. You will also find a link for the Limbo PC emulator. So download it from there and install it. And after that, just download a hard disk file and copy it to your internal storage or external storage, and remember the location where you copied it. So let me go to my smartphone and show you how to use that hard disk file to boot the Windows OS using the Limbo emulator. So let's go to our smartphone. So here you can see guys, I am on my smartphone. So let me show you the file that you need to download, the file which contains the Windows in it. This is the file that you need to download. It is 1.85 GB in size. Its name is .qow2. So download it from the description link. So after that, just place it to your internal or external storage and remember the location where you placed it. Now open the Limbo emulator. Here you can see. Let me open my Limbo emulator. And after that, just click on this none and click on the new. So click on the none and click on the new and give a machine name here. So you can give any machine name. This is simply a virtual machine name that you are going to create. So I will give your name Windows 7 and click on the create. Now click on the architecture and select it to be x86. Go to the machine type and it should be PC, and in the CPU model select the default. Go to the CPU cores and select the maximum amount of cores you can give. So this is the 4, and RAM memory is also be the maximum RAM you can give. So it will be 1016. Okay, 1008. So go to the hard disk file here and check it from there and go to the none, and from there go to the open and go to the location where you placed that hard disk file you downloaded from the description link. I hope you remember the location where you copy and paste that. So just go to that location and select that hard disk file. So this is the file, you have to select it, just select it on there, .qow2, and after that just slide down and slide down more. Go to the boot from device and select their hard disk, and after that go to the user interface. Here you can see, and select SDL. After that just click on the full screen and click on the high priority and just go up and see all the configuration are set it perfectly or not. Let me check it there, and after that just click on that play button, and you can also just clear your RAM if you have any option there. So it will release some RAM and it will help my virtual machine to run faster. Now I will click on the play button. So it will start booting. It will take some time. It just depends on your phone specification. If you have a very good phone having a good amount of RAM and having a very great processor, it will take a less time. If you here see something like Windows error recovery, so just click on the start Windows normally, click on the enter. And here you can see my Windows 7 is perfectly booting right now. So it will take some time, as I already told you. So let me clear you one thing, that to get a faster speed while running the Windows on Android phone, you have to follow all the steps and configuration perfectly as shown in this video. And if even after following all the steps perfectly and you are not getting faster speed, you have to do some manual adjustment in the configuration of Limbo emulator according to your phone specification. Like if your Limbo app crashes immediately after clicking on play virtual machine button, then you should decrease the amount of RAM you given to the virtual machine to 512 MB or lower. Hopefully you will get the best configuration for your phone after playing with setting few times. Right now you can see the Windows booting, and it will take a long time, almost from 10 to 15 minutes, so you have to wait there. So sit back, relax and enjoy this music.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go? We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning, I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand, and you'll see if you take my hand, and I'll go out of my own way for you. I'll go out of my own way. I'm holding on for you to come.